Tóyìn kò lè yé wọn. Mi ò believe ẹ̀ bó ti wá ó ti groom wings you become a vampire. Ẹni tó bá ní gbogbo nǹkan tí mo sọ kò sọpọlọ níbẹ̀. Gbogbo ohun tó ṣe fún mi ní kọ̀kọ̀ àti tó ṣe fún mi lẹ́yìn àṣẹlẹ̀ sáwọn náà. People be saying wọ́n ṣépè kì í ṣépè. That is why you have to know why you are supporting someone for evil. That was why I said my wish on you.
ẹ̀yin tèmi Lizzy Anjorin ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Tóyìn Abraham. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ nípa rẹ̀ o. Kí lẹ rò pé ó sọ nípa Tóyìn Abraham? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí ó sọ.
Come back to me. It takes someone with good mind, good heart to say that. Tóyìn, and I'm telling you, your wish on me shall go back to you, your child, your great-grandchildren, your family, and to your generation, inshallah. I hope that is not a curse, because ní industry wa yìí tó bá jẹ́ pé ibi ló fẹ́ máa ṣe, Tóyìn o groom followers àwọn bàbá arúgbó tó wà ní industry wa, o fi àwọn followers yẹn kó máa fi mọ bá ṣe máa ṣe dáadáa fún wọn, o fa àwọn followers yẹn mọ bá ṣe máa mọ àwọn èèyàn ńláńlá. Tóyìn o fi àwọn followers yẹn help àwọn tó pa ní South Africa. And do you know, Tóyìn, your comments gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ń ṣe ń pa wá ní South Africa, gbogbo wa tó ń wù. Because when they said Nigerians keep sending emails that we should be sending their people back, they are pushing drugs, they are doing this, and that's why we don't check some of their documents, we send them back. I was shocked. Wait, how can someone, I can't imagine myself sitting down and be writing petition, hey, someone is coming here, pada. Show man so Tóyìn, show man so. Okay, so. I would like to stop here, Tóyìn. I would like to stop here. But note, I won't back down. Tóyìn, if you keep attacking me, I will keep educating you. Yes. I'll keep coming here. I'll be doing this video until you stop. You have to stop. If people know who you are, what you do for a living, I'm afraid. I wasn't afraid of you, but I was just being like, how can a woman groom this kind of terror group to bring down a fellow woman or fellow colleagues instead of you to groom them for business? So